Hi everyone, this is Srinivas from Ameerpet Technologies. See, in this video, I'm going to explain clearly about the Python course, how we will learn the Python course in Ameerpet Technologies. First of all, who can take this course? See, everyone is saying that Python is a very easy programming language. It's not a basic programming language, easy programming language. As it is an easy programming language, anyone can take the course. Anyone can take the course. But see, remember, after learning few concepts of Python, exactly it is equals to the other basic programming languages. It is also called the basic programming language and easy programming language. So anyone can take this course. How long it will take? So what is the course duration? How long it will take means what? Exactly 35 to 45 sessions it will take. Exactly 35 to 45 sessions. We will learn all the concepts of Python course and what is the price. And in this duration, every day, 1 hour class will go, either offline or online. Just 1 hour class will go. But in a offline, the practice sessions also will be there so that the duration will be increased 1 more hour or 2 more hours just for along with the along with the theory practical session also will be added. And what is the cost of this course? So if you are attending online, it is just 499 rupees only. If you are attending offline, so then it will be 999. See, in this course, along with this, if you want to learn SQL also, of course, separately you can learn or SQL. Separately, we will charge more. But here it is advantage is only 399 rupees for SQL. It is for SQL and offline also at the same price we are providing offline. So combinedly it is better to take. And here it is not only the basic programmers, right? Those who are learning other programming languages also along with that. So Python is also better. You just put it in your resume as one extra course in your curriculum. And those who are attending the courses like GCP, nothing but cloud related courses. And next one, where the scripting is very important, those are working with the Selenium and all these courses. Attending the courses like this, Snowflake, Power BI, these people also, it is better, it is recommended to learn Python and as well as SQL course. Sir, what all the contents we are going to cover because you are providing at a very low price and what all the concepts we are going to cover. Will you skip anything means what? No. So we will share one documentation. This is a practice book. After completion of a theory concept, see all these concepts we are going to cover. Introduction, variables, logical programming operators, control statements, functions, loops. Then object-oriented programming concepts, OOPS, access modifiers, inheritance, not only this abstraction, polymorphism are there, exception handling, inner classes, Python modules, threading, strings, collections are very important. Those who are attending the data science related things, data types, list, tuple, set, dictionary, file handling concepts, lambda expressions, map and filter is a very important nowadays. Data science related, artificial intelligence related, everything. Command line arguments, database connectivity, graphical user interface, regular expression for data scraping and everything. Other modules, you know the importance of NumPy, Pandas, module, Matplotlib and all these things, closures, decorators. Every single thing we are going to cover. And here, everything clearly and properly documented. So day-wise schedule clearly mentioned. After the theory class, how to work with this workbook and then followed by how to implement the practical things, how to implement all these practical things also. For everything, the complete book we are delivering. If it is offline course, we will provide this Xerox. If it is an online course, we will just share the soft copy so that you need to get a Xerox copy. Whenever while class is going on, you need to open that, you need to keep it with you and practice with that book itself. Okay, so this is how the class will go on. What all the contents? So from the very basic, logic basical programming, basics plus logical programming. Next one is a functional programming. Next one is object oriented programming. Next one, all database related modules. Database we are going to cover. Next one, graphical user interface. Graphical user interface we are going to cover. Next one, all the data science related modules, very important modules. All these things we are going to cover. See how the class will go. The class will go 1 hour, either online or offline. Once the theory class completed, then you need to practice on a workbook. After practicing on workbook is a practical sessions. After few sessions, you will work on coding platforms. All coding platform programs you need to complete, like HackerRank, LeetCode, every single program given on a coding platform, you will practice. So whenever you are practicing with the coding platforms, any doubt, 24/7 in a WhatsApp or in a Telegram group, we are available, right? Either I will help, or meanwhile, if any other student also knows the concept, can able to provide the solution for your question problem, so then you will get the answer quickly. So this is how you will complete the Python course from Ameerpet Technologies. Register today, because no one will provide the course at this price. Okay, thank you all.